show that the square root of 12 minus 3 over 2 plus root 3 can be written as 7 root 3 minus 12, showing you're working clearly. Now, when you get a question like this, we know that we can put it in our calculator exactly as that, and we'll get that. That won't get you no marks. We have to actually show our working clearly. Now, the secret of this question is to realise that a square number will go into 12, i.e. 4 will go into 12 exactly, and 4 is a square number, so you need to just look at that. This is not in its most simplest form. So, let's have a look at the square root of 12. Square root of 12 can be split up as 4 times 3, square root of 4 times 3, and you can separate the square root sign, so it becomes the square root of 4 times the square root of 3. Now, the square root of 4 is 2, so this becomes 2 root 3. So the first step is to replace this here with 2 root 3. And then we'll just write down the same thing again. The second step is to rationalize the denominator. So you've got 2 plus root 3 here. So you need to multiply it by 2 minus root 3, the denominator. Now, because you've done it to the denominator, you must also do it to the numerator. And then the reason for doing that is that a plus b times a minus b is equal to a squared minus b squared. So we're going to apply that in a minute to that. So the numerator will become, a will be 2, so 2 squared minus root 3 squared. We'll come back to that in a minute. For the numerator, we're going to have to do 2 root 3 times 2 minus root 3. Minus 3 times 2 minus root 3. Right, now expanding the numerator, so now we need to do 2 root 3 times 2. That becomes 4 root 3. And then we need to do 2 times minus root 3. Sorry, 2 root 3 times minus root 3. So that will be 2 minus 2, and we need to work out what root 3 times root 3 is. So root 3 times root 3 is the same as doing square root of 3 times 3, which is square root of 9, and it is equal to 3. So this will become 2 times 3. And then we're going to do minus 3 times 2, we're going to get minus 6. And then minus 3 times minus 3 root 3 will become plus 3 root 3. Be very careful with the sign there that you change it. In the denominator, we're going to have 2 squared, which is 4, minus root 3 squared. Well, it's the same as root 3 times root 3, which I've just shown you is 3, minus 3. Right, now collecting out like terms. We've got 4 root 3 plus 3 root 3, which is 7 root 3. We're going to do minus 2 times 3, which is minus 6. Minus 6, and then 4 minus 3 is 1. So we can now forget about the denominator, and we're going to get 7 root 3 minus 12, which is what we were required to show that it was equal to. Okay, so this has been a video to show you first how to simplify a surd and then rationalize the denominator to get the given result. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.